Hi guys, it is still the 3rd of August. It's now 6:43 in the evening. Well, actually no, 5:43, sorry. Yeah, Sniffy's here. Looks like he's sleeping while drinking. He's not actually sleeping. There you go. I'm tired, boo-boo. Was that stressful? Cage cleaning? So much work? He had to remake his bin the way he wants it. No. Well, I gave him I bought these a while ago. They're the Living World drops. I don't give it to him very often now that he's over a year old. But I do give him the one maybe like once per cage cleaning now. I used to give him one once a week. Not anymore. Not anymore. So I'm going to go take a shower. Just thought I'd let you guys see Sniffy's. No, you can't sleep under your wheel anymore, can you? No, you can't yuck it up anymore. I'm going to sleep there. I'm going to sleep there. No. You don't like your blankie? Nick. He's got a really big house now. I wanted that because I realize he spends most of his time in there sleeping. If he's not sleeping under the wheel, he's sleeping in there. So I figure if I give him a bigger one, he can stretch out and maybe start, I don't know, hoarding. He doesn't hoard, but whatever. I did put a stone in there, guys. We'll give it once more try. Let's see if he takes it out. Last time I purposely put it under his igloo. That's why. So I might have been responsible for the problem. So I'll put it in the bowl and see what happens. If he still drags it inside, because he drags this thing inside, then I might either thread it with a wire and try to keep it on that side of the cage. Or more than likely I'll just break off a piece. They still have tons at the store and they don't really sell that fast at the Bosley store, so it's okay. I know that some places like PJ Pets and all that, they sell pretty fast. And I gave him some chinchilla sand in case he wants to take a little bit of a dust bath. I was going to put some tinactin in there just in case he doesn't get fungus or whatever. But whatever. I'm not going to put it in there just yet. Maybe a little later. Okay, guys?